Of our talk today is about mind-body connection. Why are we even doing this mind-body connection? Let me understand this from Jaideep, Aarti, Sachin. Sachin, so coming back to our conversations, let's understand from all of you, why are we talking about mind-body connections? What are these talks that we are doing every Sunday? And what drives you to come to these talks? Just because Pallavi is doing it, I can promise you Aditi is doing it because Pallavi ma'am is doing it. पता नहीं क्या है पर मुझे अच्छा लगता है सुनने को. That kind. But I'm trying to understand what brings you to these talks. क्या है ऐसा जो आपको ले आता है टॉक्स में? संडे के दिन 10 से 11 इज नॉट वेरी हैपनिंग टाइम, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करने का, चिलैक्स करने का टाइम होता है. एंड येट you all are dedicated enough to come into these talks. So what drives you to come here? Anybody. There's no right and wrong answer. ये तो एग्जाम भी नहीं है. To bring about awareness in our life so that we become aware of what we are doing that is damaging us, not the others. We are not worried about others. But whatever I'm doing, how is it affecting me is what we need to understand and what we need to process. Do we agree with this? Yeah. And that is why we are talking about these A2W talks. These A2W talks have been on. The thought now next is we are talking about becoming aware. Today's talk is about mind-body connection. How many of us feel that our mind and our body is connected? है कि नहीं है mind and body connection? Adriti is saying, चल mind नाम की कोई चीज ही नहीं मेरे बायो के बुक में है ही नहीं. है ना Adriti? Yeah, so she doesn't know. Great. That's a good place to be aware that I don't know there is something called as the mind. What is the mind? To even understand that we are talking about mind-body connection. Body तो सबको पता है. We have a physical body, biological proof है, scientific proof है that we all have a body. सबके पास दिल है, सबके पास lungs है, सबके पास गुर्दा है. Everybody has a gut, everybody has a colon, everybody has hands, legs, eyes, ears. We have them. Whether they are functional optimally or not, we still have all these things with us. Agree? So we know what the body is all about. Let's understand what is the mind. We are talking about the mind-body connection. And the mind is an energy system which picks up stimuluses from the environment for us to process. In this moment, इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही है अपने एनवायरनमेंट में, कितनी सारी. अभी तो यहाँ पे पंछी बैठे हैं, वहां बाहर कोई हॉर्न मार रहा है, कोई और कुछ कर रहा है, मेरे घर की कुकर की सीटी कभी भी बज सकती है, माई मेड इज वर्किंग देयर, माई डॉग्स एंड कैट्स आर रनिंग अराउंड लूज. There is so much happening in my environment, but my mind decides what to pick up from the environment to process. Yes, Sachin, you may turn off your video, no worries. Okay, so you have to understand ki what your mind is picking up to process. Now, when your mind is choosing to pick up things for processing, understand कैसे करता है ये mind. Between 0 to 2 years of our lives, our mind is picking up information through our senses, naak, muh, kaan, tongue, and skin. If you see a small child, he puts everything in the mouth. He wants to taste everything. सब कुछ उठा उठा के, इवन अपने पैर का अंगूठा पकड़ेगा तो पहले मुंह में डालेगा टू सी अलग लगता है क्या, मेरे ये वाली स्किन से वो वाला अंगूठा अलग लगता है क्या. सो द चाइल्ड इज एक्सपीरियंसिंग द वर्ल्ड थ्रू सेंसेस. Between 2 and 5, the child is experiencing the world through conversations, through language, and the labels that we add to these situations and to the objects around us. Okay. Also, these labels are emotional. When you tell the child, Mama, the child feels very happy. Mama, okay, lovely. And you tell them कौवा, कौवा आके खाना खा जाएगा, कौवा कौवा आएगा, कौवा कौवा आएगा, कौवा. So already there is an emotion to all the labels the child is learning between 2 and 5. Agar before the age of 2, the child is not afraid most of the times for most of the things. They want to go and explore. They don't understand the fear that, oh, this can be dangerous or this can be harmful, right? The idea is the fear is then picked up from the environment. मम्मी जैसे react करती है, पापा जैसे react करते हैं, neighbors, ताऊजी, दादी, दादा, all of these people, how they react to these situations is defining how your mind will learn to either be emotional pleasantly or emotional unpleasantly about situations. So those are the labels that we collect. And then उन labels के बारे में हम एक belief बना देते हैं. Mama is nice. Oh, that kawa is not good. Chi hai, chi hai. You know, we tell the child, उसे हाथ मत लगाओ, chi hai. What is happening is we are telling the child how to react to the environment. It may be good or bad or ugly, but we are still teaching the child that some things are good and some things are not so good. And that is the basis on which we begin to form our belief systems, जो तैयार होती है between 5 years to 7 years, 8 years तक. And in a combination of our sensation, emotion and cognition, मतलब सोचने की ताकत, with the combination of all these three things, हमारी personality develop होना शुरू हो जाती है. And the personality defines the quality of life we are going to lead. That means हम किस तरीके से खुश होने वाले हैं, what is going to make us unhappy, what is going to make us happy, what is going to be okay, what is going to be not okay. These things begin to rule us. Are we clear on this? So our body is going to react to what my mind is thinking, feeling, sensing, perceiving. And mind is an energy. It cannot be seen, but it can be felt. How do you feel your mental energy or your mind energy? आप अगर अपनी धुनकी में चल रहे हो तो आपके पीछे अगर कोई आ रहा है, you become alert and aware कि अच्छा कोई आया है. Because there is a concept called as a personal space that we define. और कोई भी इंसान, अगर इंसान या प्राणी या सिचुएशन आपके उस पर्सनल स्पेस के एनर्जी में अगर आ गया तो देन वी फील थ्रेटेंड एंड देन वी टर्न अराउंड. कौन है? We also know intuitively whether whatever is coming behind us is pleasant or unpleasant. Yes or no? Right? So this is about the mind. And the mind then affects your body because your mind has picked up a stimulus from the environment. Now, this stimulus has already got a label which is emotional in nature, and there is already a thought about this stimulus. So your body is reacting to the stimulus your mind has picked up for processing. And therefore, there is a connection between your mind and your body. Am I clear with this up to now? Is there a question about this? Do we agree? Great. So now understand, how do I even understand what is, because we are processing things so automatically. How do I even know what is happening with my mind and body connection? Well, good news is when there is a stimulus in your environment that your mind has picked up for processing, it begins to trigger your body, whether pleasant or unpleasant. All the emotions that you feel, whether you feel them in the head or whether you feel them in the body. Educated people from the metro cities, they have become thinking people when we were born to be feeling people. So we even think our emotions. When somebody says, go, I'm not going to do this, I'm telling the person, oh, you spoke like this, very rudely, I'm very hurt. Is that really hurt? Or is that a thought of hurt? It's the thought of the hurt, because if you're hurt, आपको वो वहां यहाँ महसूस होगा. You will feel the hurt here. You will feel the hurt here. You won't have the energy in that moment to tell this person, hey, you know what, I'm hurting. If I say, oh, you know what, Adriti, you said this, I'm very hurt. Versus, hey, Adriti, you said this, you know. Oh my God, I don't know what your intention was, but I'm hurting. My throat is paining right now. Which of these two statements is a feeling and which of them is a thought?
The first one is thought and second one is feeling.
हम सबको ये समझ में आता है. When somebody says I'm sorry, when somebody says sorry बोलो, apologize करो, I'm sorry, okay, go. Versus, hey, I'm really sorry this happened. Feelings महसूस होती है, you feel them. Thoughts आप सुनते हो. When it comes from a thought, you hear them. And that is how we begin to know whether somebody is saying things. You know, when somebody says something, we say he doesn't mean it. We just know that they don't mean it. They're just saying it for the heck of it. And why is that happening? Is because we don't hear a feeling in that conversation or that talk. Yes? So understand that feeling, thoughts, and sensations are connected. Sensations are in the body. Feelings are usually in the heart or in the emotional aspect of the body. Because heart में emotions कहाँ है? Adriti will ask. Where is the location of the emotion in the heart? मेरे bio class में नहीं है. Right? But then you still feel in the body the emotional label to your sensation, and then the cognitive meaning to what is being discussed. So today we are going to understand the logic or the sensations कैसे कैसे कहाँ कहाँ हम store करते हैं from childhood. Okay. Now let's look at it. We are going to look at the torso. What is the torso? The area where your pelvis is and right up to here. This is your torso. Okay. Most of our feelings that are basic to us, not secondary feelings, I'm talking of basic feelings, they are between your throat and your pelvic region. Usually it is said that in your pelvic and anal region, जब आप पालथी मार के बैठ जाते हो, when you cross your legs and you sit down, the area that touches the floor, that is the pelvic region. And because वहां पे आपके survival related thoughts, feelings, emotions store होते हैं. And what I'm discussing is chakras. What are chakras? Chakras are energy vortices in our body जो environment से energy लेते हैं और environment को आप अपना reaction या response देते हो. So you are taking in energy from the environment and you are giving out energy to the environment. And these are energy vortices. Every thought, emotion, and chakra has an input and an output. Okay. Except in your pelvic region, the energy comes in from your pelvis and goes out from your pelvic region. So it's a one way. आने जाने का traffic एक ही रास्ता है. It's a two-way road. Okay. Now understand all your thoughts, emotions, feelings related to your survival will cause a sensation in your pelvic and your anal region. आपने कभी constipation experience किया है या loose motions experience किया है? That happens because constipation happens कि I don't want this to go, I don't want this to go, पकड़ के रखो, ये खो जाएगा. ये वाला thought जब दिमाग में बहुत strongly affect करता है, तब आपको constipation होता है. Women will be able to relate to this is that when they come to a perimenopausal stage or towards the menopausal stage, उनका gut health goes for a toss. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि they are constipated in the gut, but then they are not able to pass stool or urine very, very easily. And that comes from the thought that I am losing my productivity. That means I'm not going to be able to produce babies anymore. It's a very, very unconscious thought. हुआ है आरती, मुझे हुआ है. I can promise you it's happened to me. And then I'm saying, अरे यार खा तो रही हूँ, फाइबर भी खा रही हूँ, ये भी कर रही हूँ, वो भी कर रही हूँ, लेकिन स्टूल्स नॉर्मल नहीं हो रहे हैं. Because your body is saying पकड़ के रखो, जाने मत देना इसको, जाने मत देना. If you are not productive, there is a fear associated with if I'm not productive, then what? तो वो fear के चलते you don't want to let go of what you have. And as a human being, look at it. अगर आपको कुछ नया चाहिए, अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ नया आने वाला होता है, तो क्या करना पड़ता है सबसे पहले? हाथ खोलना पड़ता है, जो भी हाथ में है उसको खाली करना पड़ता है। जब खाली हो जाओगे तब कुछ नया आएगा। पर आप क्या करते हो, ऑल ऑफ अस डू इट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग आप, आई एम नॉट एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम दिस, व्हाट वी डू, पहले मेरे को दो, तब मैं इसको छोड़ने का कि नहीं छोड़ने का सोचूंगी। डज लाइफ वर्क लाइक दैट यू रिसीव बिफोर गिविंग? द रूल ऑफ लाइफ इज गिव एंड रिसीव, लेट गो एंड रिसीव, दैट इज द रूल ऑफ लाइफ। पर हम क्या करते हैं, पहले दो, अरे लिया भी तो कहां लोगे, हाथ तो भरे पड़े हैं, खाली तो करने पड़ेंगे। अगर किसी ने दिया भी आपके छोड़े बगैर, तो आप रखोगे कहां उसको, जगह ही नहीं है, या तो फिर वो डाइल्यूट हो जाएगा। एंड लुक एट पीपल हु आर अफ्रेड ऑफ लेटिंग गो, हाउ मेस्ड अप देयर लाइफ बिकम्स। Think about it, see about, reflect upon it. What is it that I'm not letting go, and therefore receiving a very diluted blessing from the universe? छोड़ दो ना। If you are here, then probably there is a higher good for you to receive. You will always be abundant in your life. So your survival thoughts and fears are associated in your pelvic region. One way, आने का जाने का रास्ता एक ही है। अगर ट्रैफिक जैम हुआ तो क्या होगा, रिसीविंग विल बी ब्लॉक्ड, लेटिंग गो also will be blocked. So that is why we have to be very careful or mindful. I don't want to say careful, we have to be mindful of what we are thinking and interacting with our environment. Okay, now the next is your I don't remember the Hindi name for it, but it is your lower abdomen. Navel के नीचे वाला जो हिस्सा है, that is the next chakra. That chakra takes care or holds emotions, feelings, thoughts related to our deservability, what we think we deserve. That means, look at women. I'm again bringing back the topic of women. When women start to menstruate, look at the pain they go through, and the pain is usually below the navel. Go look up your biology and see where the uterus actually is. And why is it that the pain is in the lower abdomen when the uterus is not that low? It should be somewhere in the mid area of your stomach. However, our cramping is happening in the lower abdomen. And when it is happening, look at the thoughts that these young girls are going through. Even I have been through those thoughts. ये हमें क्यों होता है यार? Why can't men suffer like us? Why is it that we only have to go through periods? ये कितना painful है, इसका use ही क्या है? हर महीने आता है. Deservability challenge. Many women have this uterus issues. या तो वो, if you see, it starts to bloat up, or it goes, we are very worried that वो flat नहीं है, बहुत बढ़ गया है. And women will usually put on weight in the lower abdomen. Men will put on weight in the midriff, that is navel के ऊपर वाले हिस्से में men put on weight. उनकी तोंद निकल आती है. Women will have their weight mostly in the lower region below the uterus. And because deservability issues हैं, we are not sure. Now remember, the remaining chakras that I'm talking about, आगे से receive करते हैं और पीछे से we are giving out. So there is a two-way traffic here. आप आगे से रिसीव करते हो और उसी जगह का पीछे टेल बोन के ऊपर एकदम एकदम लास्ट वाला आपका जो स्पाइन का जो टेल बोन की एरिया है, वहां से आपका एक जाता है एनर्जी फॉर योर डिजर्वेबिलिटी, ऑफ योर डिजर्वेबिलिटी. Does this make sense? Okay. Then comes the solar plex region, which is the area above your navel and below your rib cage. Navel के ऊपर और rib cage के नीचे. We usually have control issues. जो भी issues है जिससे हमें लगता है कि I am either having to control too many things or my life is completely out of control and messed up. Do we feel nervous before the exams, Adriti? तो बटरफ्लाईज कहाँ होते हैं स्टमक में? उसी एरिया में होते हैं ना. because we don't feel prepared for an exam. जब कुछ नई परीक्षा होती है अपनी and we are not prepared for it, or we think we are not prepared for it, that area goes for a toss. ऐसे गुड़गुड़ 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 होना शुरू होता है, you want to go, ऐसा लगता है कि अभी उल्टी आएगी, oh my god. Have you sat on a roller coaster? Has everybody sat on a roller coaster? रोलर कोस्टर पे नहीं बैठे हो, जायंट व्हील में बैठे हो, राइट? जायंट व्हील ऊपर जाता है, नीचे आता है, फिर से ऊपर जाता है, नीचे आता है. Isn't it thrilling for all of us? ऊपर से जब नीचे आता है तो पेट में एक ऐसा गोला आ जाता है, ओ आया आया, सेटल. इतना डैमेज होता है फिर भी हम रोलर कोस्टर पे क्यों बैठते हैं? It's a uneasy count. It's a uneasy feeling, man. I'm not having fun when I'm having that. But it's like, oh, jaldi niche jao, jaldi. It's a feeling of out of control. Because at a thought level, you know कि gravity will pull that wheel down. और the roller coaster gravity के हिसाब से झप करके नीचे आएगा. Why are you and I enjoying it? Because we know that there are safety standards put on it and I'm not going to die. So you want to experience the thrill and yet you know you're not going to die. But जब एग्जाम के टाइम पे वो नर्वसनेस आता है and when you feel I'm absolutely not prepared or this thing, that is a feeling of almost like मैं मरने वाला ही हूँ. When people feel anxious, when there is anxiety for people, that is the area. ऐसा लगता है कि बार बार लूज मोशंस हो रहे हैं, उल्टी हो रहा है, लूज पैनिक अटैक्स, anxiety, we experience it. And this area, solar plex region, is what gets affected because life is not in my control. Something external is controlling it. And there is no feeling of safety. And therefore, your thoughts, emotions, sensations, cognitions about your safety or your control are in your solar plex region. Yes? Then look at the next chakra, your heart chakra. Heart chakra is usually associated with sense of belonging, love, acceptance, and how worthy or how much of love am I going to receive from people? Acceptance, is there going to be rejection? Are people going to accept me? These are the thoughts that are in your chest region. When you are in love and when you are attracted to someone, just feel the expanse of the chest. When you have achieved something and you feel, alright, the world is going to accept me, look at the expanse of the chest. And the same thing when you are saying that, अरे यार मुझे इसमें rejection आएगा, how we enter into a new place, ऐसे सिकुड़ जाते हैं, we contract, constrict हो जाती है अपनी chest. Although you want to stand upright, the feeling is that I may not be accepted. So you are doing this. Have you seen women travel, or even men when they travel in a crowded train? Because acceptance कम होता है ना in a crowded train or in crowded places. How do we walk? Do we walk चौड़े में के do we walk in a constricted manner? क्या फर्क पड़ेगा तुम चौड़े में चलो तो, उतना ही शोल्डर विथ है, उतना ही जगह है, उतना ही स्पेस आप ऑक्यूपाई करोगे, पर आप चौड़े में नहीं चलते हो, आप सिकुड़ के चलते हो. ये आधा इंच जो आप सिकुड़ गए उससे क्या फर्क पड़ा? But then the feeling of I may not be accepted. And see how unconsciously our body is reacting. This is body language. Our body is reacting to, array, there's no space, there is no space, there's no space, I'm not accepted. You know, when you get into a crowded train, Mumbaikars will know this. When you get into a crowded train, the looks that you get from people, you just want to shrink and go into your shell. You don't want to say, मैं आ गया अभी कर ले जो करना है. You don't want to do that with them. Right? So that is when your acceptance and your rejection will then affect the energy of your body. When somebody discounts you and says, hey, get lost, don't stay here. कहाँ दर्द होता है? You feel like stone रख दिया किसी ने chest पे. ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ने ऐसे दिल को निचोड़ दिया. The pain, the struggle is in your chest. Right? Now let's come to the throat chakra. The throat chakra is basically the rules and regulations that we store about what to say to whom and how it will affect the other person. So here is the communication chakra, what you will say. Often, when you want to say hurtful things to others, but because your conditioning doesn't allow you to say it, यहाँ पे lump आता है, ऐसे निगले भी नहीं जाता और उगले भी नहीं जाता. You just feel a lot of pain in the throat. And that is because you are feeling the stress, the pressure के I want to say it, but then मेरा relationship खराब हो जाएगा, so let me not say it. Or it will be considered rude, or people will not accept it. So many conditions to why I will not communicate openly. Yes or no? When somebody says hurtful things to you and you start, your throat starts to pain. फिर आपको पानी पीना पड़ता है या आप बहुत बार ऐसे करके swallow करने की कोशिश करते हो. और वो जब swallow नहीं होता है या वो जब प्रॉब्लम अपना ये रिजॉल्व नहीं होता है तो आंखों से टप 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 पानी निकलना शुरू होता है. बिकॉज यहाँ पे चोक हो गया, आपको किसी ने चोक कर दिया तो क्या होता है? स्ट्रगल ऑफ सर्वाइवल. एंड स्ट्रगल ऑफ सर्वाइवल विल कम आउट इन द फियर ऑफ नॉट बीइंग एबल टू. मुझे दुख दे दिया, ओह गॉड. मेक सेंस so far? Okay. Now understand, let's come a little higher up to our facial muscles. Okay. This is not directly a chakra. The chakras are up to the throat. आगे पीछे, आगे से रिसीव करोगे, पीछे से आप दे दोगे. How many of us have back pain? Middle back, higher back, lower back, spine से related muscular pain. God bless you. You are receiving a lot from the environment. देने के टाइम आप डर रहे हो या पूरी तरह से दे नहीं रहे हो. जो you're not giving out what is really not yours. आप लोगों की चिंता बहुत ज्यादा करते हो. आप क्या कहेंगे लोग, उनको क्या महसूस होगा, वो क्या फील करेंगे, इसमें इतना अटक रहे हो कि आप बहुत फिल्टर कर करके बाहर के लोगों को दे रहे हो. वो गंदगी जो फिल्टर कर रहे हो ना, वो आपके शरीर में ही रह रही है. The toxins of emotion are staying in your body. You are a person who does not have the courage to tell this person, you are bullshitting, get out of my life. I don't care if you're a part of my life or not. We don't have this courage, and that is why we end up having back pains. So look at what needs to go out of your body. The toxicity that you are receiving needs to leave your body. You need to be responding. And आपको लगता है by saying these things to people, I might be reacting. No. You need to stand up for yourself. The one person you have to stand up always is you. Nobody else. Okay. Now let's come to a little complex thought and emotion of guilt and shame. It's in the facial muscles. ऐसा होता है ना कि when you are happy, when you are in a very sorted life, तो आप आईने में देखते हो तो you find yourselves beautiful. आपको आपका फेस ही अच्छा लगता है. Very sweet. And कभी कभी आप आईने में देखते हो तो oh my God, what a ugly face. You don't find yourselves beautiful at all. And that is because we are going through active guilt or shame. We are guilty about doing something, or we are shameful about what we see in the mirror. Teenagers, when they have low self-esteem about how they look, when people are saying, when you are waiting for others to accept you for your looks, एक पिंपल भी आता है तो कितना हुआ हो जाता है. It's a boil. It is hormones playing out. It is your body saying, अरे यार तेल ज्यादा हो गया या हीट ज्यादा बढ़ गई तो एक पिंपल आया. But pimples are criminals. वही बॉइल फेस पे ना आके बॉडी पे आया तो बॉइल है. You don't make a big deal of a boil. You make a big deal out of a pimple. What is acne? You blame it on the sun. कि सन ज्यादा हो गया इसलिए एक्ने आया, नहीं बॉस। द सन इज अवेयरनेस, द लाइट। अगर लाइट आती है और आपका चेहरा काला होता है तो आपको अपने चेहरे की गंदगी दिखती है, एंड दैट इज एक्ने। You start loving yourselves unconditionally. You start looking at yourselves, okay, I have this part of me and let me deal with it. Let me look at it. Acne will disappear, your uh, pimples will disappear, your uneven skin tone will disappear. So many times when I am in a toxic space, I find my face changes. And then I'm saying, I have said this to Tushar. Tushar will vouch for it. I said, when I look into the mirror, I'm saying, tu khud hi well nahi hai. How are you selling wellness? The best thing is I'm aware that I'm not well. And when you are aware that you are not well, you can do something about it. If you are not aware that you are not well, तो क्या कर लोगे तुम? Then you are going to doctors and dermatologists and skin specialists and all these people कि कुछ तो करो. I have got these facial issues. There's no moisture. There's no moisture in my use moisturizer. Of course, use moisturizer. But ask yourselves, why is my skin dry? It's not nurturing enough. There's not enough nurturance. So where am I not nurturing myself? If I begin to take care, if I begin to be aware, then all these things are going to stop affecting me. So we are looking at the facial muscles. Then the next chakra that we're talking about is the wisdom, the third eye. कहानियों में सुना है जब शंकर भगवान बहुत गुस्सा होते हैं तो तीसरी आंख खोल देते हैं, सब कुछ जला देते हैं. The third eye is the eye of wisdom. आप अगर आंख बंद करके इस एरिया पे कंसंट्रेट करो तो पता चलता है कि आप वाइज हो या अदरवाइज हो. Because if you close your eyes and there is a discomfort in this part of your forehead, आप अदरवाइज हो. अगर इस एरिया में डिस्कम्फर्ट नहीं होता है, इसका मतलब आपका विजडम चल रहा है. यू आर फंक्शनिंग फ्रॉम विजडम. कितनी बार होता है आपने देखा है कि आप अगर दूसरों के साथ ऐसे उंगली लेके उनके फोरहेड के पास जाओ, दे गेट वेरी अनॉयड एंड इरिटेटेड. डोंट ब्रिंग योर फिंगर टू माय फोरहेड. ट्राई इट विद पीपल and they'll get super annoyed because you are triggering or entering their wisdom space. What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? Knowledge is information intake. Wisdom is using that information appropriately. When you are able to translate your knowledge into experience, it brings wisdom. Knowledge plus experience is wisdom. Information minus the experience is knowledge. And many a times we find people who are knowledgeable but not wise. They have a lot of book information and they'll give you a lot of gyan. Oh, I read this book, this was happening, this was. पर उनके behavior में तुमको कुछ भी translation नहीं दिखता है. They will talk about, I went to this retreat, I did this, I did that. But when it comes to seeing them, आप उनको बहुत ऐसे shallow महसूस करते हो. Have we met such people? You know, who talk big talks, but when it comes to looking at them, आपको लगता है कि अरे यार दिखावा है ये सब. They haven't used this information for themselves. And then you can't trust such people. उनकी बातों में यकीन नहीं कर सकते. And then you just say, all talks, no beep, never mind. Okay, so this is about our wisdom. And then the seventh chakra is on top of your head, which is your connection with your divine self or your sacred self, जो आप पैदा हुए थे बनने के लिए. But then we lost that connection somewhere because we started to connect with our periphery and what was around us. We started to connect around us to people, and we started to lose ourselves because we wanted to be what others are going to accept me for. Making sense? And the idea is to connect back. This is also a one-way route. This is also a two-way route. Two-way रास्ता है, आना जाना एक ही तरफ से. So आप ले तो रहे हो सब कुछ from the universe, from the higher self, पर दे क्या रहे हो? You are giving out toxic information. And वो toxic information आप release नहीं कर रहे हो. आप उसको बता रहे हो ये है. This is how it is. What are we telling God? I want to call this the divine. What are we telling the divine? You know, मुझे कल है ना 5 करोड़ रुपए आने दे अकाउंट में. तब तक तो ठीक है. But what are we saying? इस कजिन ने लाके देने दे, या फिर लॉटरी लगने दे, या फिर मेरी ये प्रॉपर्टी बिकने दे तो मेरे को पैसा आने दे. Those are conditions to how your needs will be fulfilled, and therefore they are called wants. So आपने मांगा, आपको चाहिए, आपको मिलेगा, पर आपने क्या किया? उसको कंडीशन डाल दी. Condition is coming from conditioning, which happened to us since childhood. क्योंकि we are not able to fathom कि कहीं और से इंफॉर्मेशन आएगी, या I want money, चलो I want money, but then I'm saying it needs to come from this way only. तो लिमिटेशन किसने डाल दी? हम ही ने डाल दी. अरे भाई आने देना, कहीं से भी आने, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Why should I worry? You don't trust your divine to give you the right source. आप उसको बोलते हो नहीं नहीं तू शायद गलती से कुछ और दे देगा, मेरे को 5 करोड़ रुपया चाहिए लेकिन एथिकल ही चाहिए, लॉटरी का टिकट वगैरह ऐसा नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज फिर वो मेरे को झंझट, मेरे को जाके लॉटरी का टिकट खरीदना पड़ेगा. गिव इट टू मी थ्रू XYZ सोर्सेज ओनली. अद्रिति तुम भी तो बोलते होगे ना कि नंबर अच्छा आने दो, राइट? व्हाट इज योर थॉट बिहाइंड इट? कि मैं अच्छे से पढूं, मेरी मेमोरी अच्छी रहे, मेरी मेमोरी अच्छी रहेगी तो फिर मैं अच्छे से एग्जाम्स लिखूंगी, and then my teacher has to be in the right frame of mind to judge what I was thinking when I was writing the paper, and then she will give me good marks. क्यों नहीं हो सकता कि भाई वो टीचर पेपर करेक्शन के मामले में इतनी चोर हो कि उसने बोला चल यार, एक पेपर को फेल करूंगी, एक पेपर को अच्छे नंबर दूंगी, और अदिति का पेपर अच्छे नंबरों में आता है. टक, उसने पढ़ा भी नहीं, अदिति ने क्या लिखा, टक 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 99%. बट देन व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, नहीं यार वो तो एथिकल नहीं होगा ना, दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई डिजर्व. And Aditi, I'm taking you as an example because I know your exams are around the corner. And the same is with us. There is a lot of love that is available in our environment, but we are saying नहीं, मुझे उस बंदे से ही प्यार चाहिए या उस बंदी से ही प्यार चाहिए. And then वो प्यार उसने कैसे करना चाहिए उसका कंडीशन भी है. So when we are connecting to the divine, understand हमें जो मिल रहा है और हम जो दे रहे हैं उसमें डिस्क्रिपेंसी हो सकती है. When people say अरे यार all bad luck for me only, पता नहीं भगवान का क्या दुश्मनी है मेरे साथ, प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम मिलते हैं. Well, be aware you are disconnected. कनेक्शन खो गया है आपका. So reconnect. When we reconnect, how many of us have headaches, migraines? हाथ ऊपर करो अद्रिति. Headaches and migraines are the biggest source that we are disconnected. It's the biggest way of the universe telling you disconnection हो गया है. Because headaches 3 प्रकार के होते हैं. एक है कि you feel someone is pressing your head. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारा कोई प्रेस करके पुचुक कर देगा हेड. Okay, that is a headache that is caused by too much of information overload. आप overthinking इतना कर रहे हो कि आपका ब्रेन बोल रहा है I can't contain any more information, and therefore there is a pressure कि बहुत लोड हो गया है उसके ऊपर. Then the next one is pulling pressure. ऐसे लगता है कि पुल हो रहा है, ऐसे फट जाएगा आपका हेड. Now that is a headache that says कि आप conflicted हो दो विचारों में. ये भी होना चाहिए, वो भी होना चाहिए, ये भी होना चाहिए, वो भी होना चाहिए, एंड दैट इज व्हाई योर हेड इज गेटिंग पुल्ड लाइक दिस इन टू डायरेक्शंस। ऐसे लगता है कि अरे यार बांध के रखो। तो पीपल हु टाई देयर हेड्स, नैपकिन वैपकिन लगा के या ऐसे बांध के रखते हैं, दे आर द पीपल हु आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग ऐसे फट रहा है उनका सर, कि नहीं पकड़ के रखो, पकड़ के रखो, फट जाएगा। एंड देन द थर्ड टाइप ऑफ पेन इज अ थ्रॉबिंग हेडेक, टक टक टक, ऐसा लगता है कि कोई खोल दरवाजा, खोल दरवाजा, खोल दरवाजा, यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग इनफ, यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग इनफ, यू आर गोइंग इन, टक 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 टक, थ्रॉबिंग हेडेक। If you actually pay attention, how do you pay attention? It is through pain. What is pain? Pain is pay attention inside now. Whatever is causing you discomfort in your body, if you pay attention to that discomfort, your body will tell you what is not working, what is damaging. Your body will give you information about your triggers. What are triggers? Triggers are illogical, irrational beliefs that are reacting with your body structure. Discomfort अगर बॉडी में है, that means you are putting in information that is not aligned to your truth. Making sense? When does your, let's go a little lower. We went up to the head, we came from the torso. Let's go a little lower. आपके thighs कब पेन होते हैं? When you are completely exhausted and you really can't go another step further, तब जाके आपके thighs and inner thighs बहुत पेन होते हैं. For women, when you are menstruating, that is when your inner thighs begin to pain. तब तक इनर थाइज में मसल इतना होता है कि पेन नहीं होता है इतना, unless you are completely exhausted. So become aware of your thoughts, your feelings about what are happening that is causing the pain to your inner thighs. Your knees, when do your knees pain? When you have, when you're standing up and the burden that is falling on the knees is just too much. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए वो पहलवान उठाता है ना वजन, ऐसे उठा के फिर वो क्या करता है, ठप करके फेंक देता है. He doesn't go down slowly and put it back slowly, no. आपकी नीज पर वही प्रेशर आता है. It is holding on to the weight because it is a part of you, and then after some time it just gives up and the knees start to hurt. Then you need knee support, then you need to wear, you need to have arthritis बोल देते हैं, या आपको बोल देते हैं कि कार्ट्रिज डीजेनरेट हुआ है, लेस हो गया है, शिफ्ट हो गया है, और नी रिप्लेसमेंट करवाना पड़ रहा है. Definitely, because look at the emotional weight is much heavy than the physical weight on the body. Then when, if you realize, कभी पाँव में दर्द होता है या क्रैक्स होते हैं या you're not able to walk, जब चलते हो तब तकलीफ होती है. Become aware, if it is your right foot, then there is a challenge or there is a belief that doesn't allow you to take the first steps in life about situation. If you have problems with your left foot, आप शुरू कर लोगे कुछ but उसको follow नहीं कर पाओगे. You'll start something but you will block yourselves from continuing a journey. And your body keeps telling you every time. If you have problems with your right hand, यहाँ तक ये वाला, that means you are reaching out for something पर आप नहीं reach out कर पा रहे हो. That is why there are problems in this. कभी देखा है ये wrist का movement आपका challenge हो जाता है, ये wrist का movement आपका challenge हो जाता है, right? ये वाली wrist का movement challenge हो जाता है because you want to reach something but it's beyond your reach or it's not okay to reach. ये वाला is the same thing. I will reach it but then I won't be able to contain it. Follow, reach and follow, reach and follow, reach and follow. Right hands. Shoulders में क्या होता है? Burden. When do we start to have frozen shoulders, problem in the shoulders? ऐसे हाथ ऊपर नीचे आजू बाजू करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. It's because there is too much of burden on the shoulders. You offload the burden and your life seems to be lighter. You strengthen the shoulders. What do you do in the gym? You lift weights and you tell your shoulders, abhi strong ban jao zyada wajan pakadne ke liye. You're strengthening your shoulders to hold on to responsibilities. पर लेनी क्यों है? खुद के लिए responsibility पहले लो. Making sense? So shoulders, your responsibility on the shoulders top is responsibilities towards you, towards others. Your middle back is whether you are responsible towards yourself, and the lower back is your responsibility towards your monetary or objects या पैसा या wealth. उसके प्रति आपकी responsibility आप कितना पाल रहे हो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है आपका एकदम lower back. You see, for women, when they are coming towards menopause, if they are working people, then they have problems with the lower back because अभी income बंद हो जाएगा खुद का, या मेरा वैल्यू वर्थ कम हो जाएगा खुद का. मेरी बहू आ रही है, आज मेरा वैल्यू ये है कि मैं किचन में खड़ी रह के काम कर रही हूँ, कल मेरी बहू आएगी, वो टेक ओवर करेगी किचन, फिर मेरा लोअर बैक पेन होना शुरू हो जाता है. सो नाउ माई वर्दीनेस, जो मैं दुनिया को दिखाती हूँ मेरा वर्दीनेस, वो कम हो जाएगा. मिडिल बैक कम्स व्हेन यू आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. आप बैठे हो, काम कर रहे हो, सडनली योर मिडिल बैक विल गिव अप. अरे यार, यू हैवंट टेकन केयर ऑफ मी, यू हैवंट टेकन केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, सो योर मिडिल बैक बिगिंस टू हर्ट. एंड व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर टू मेनी पीपल आउटसाइड ऑफ यू, तब ये आपका शोल्डर हर्ट करना शुरू होगा. नाउ व्हेनेवर देयर इज पेन इन योर बॉडी, यू हैव रिसोर्सेस के कहाँ देखना है, क्या थॉट को प्रोसेस करना है, आप जिंदगी कैसे जी रहे हो, वो देखो. This is how our mind is connected to our body and how your body is communicating to your intellect and to you. Okay, look at what is happening. What are you doing actively? Okay, so with such great thoughts, I'm stopping our talk today. If there